This video demonstrates how to install a Curries hollow metal door frame during the pre-drywall stage of new construction. The procedure applies to both wood stud and metal stud wall systems. For illustration, we'll be showing a metal stud wall. In any commercial or institutional project, a secure and long-lasting opening depends on proper frame installation. In this guide, you'll learn how to prepare the opening, set the frame, and verify that a Curries frame is plumb, level, and square for dependable performance. Start by locating the Curries frame at the correct opening. Confirm the frame number matches the job drawings. Compare the handing and size of the frame to the project specifications and review the hardware schedule. If discrepancies are found, stop and confirm with your distributor before moving forward. Check that all necessary reinforcements are in place. Confirm hinge size, strike type, and closer mounting. In this installation, we're using a 4.5-inch hinge, a standard strike, and reinforcements for both regular arm and parallel arm closers. For the wall condition, a 5 3/4-inch steel stud anchor is used with 3 5/8 studs and 5/8-inch drywall on each side. Some installations may require custom anchors. Next, identify the finished floor conditions. Adjust the frame height so the doors will clear the flooring. Curries frames are supplied with adjustable base anchors that accommodate floor thicknesses up to 1 3/8 inches. Always confirm the floor finish before setting the frame. Curries frames may be supplied welded or knockdown. In this case, we're working with a welded frame. Knockdown versions require minimal assembly, with interlocking slots and tabs. Always bend rabbet tabs outward for a tight, secure fit. Install the base anchors with the screws provided. Welded Curries frames include a shipping bar to prevent twisting during transport. Remove this bar by grinding it off. Never try to bend it away. With studs in place, position the Curries frame in the wall line. Insert a spreader between the hinge and strike jambs at the base. Cut the spreader square to ensure the jambs align properly. Make sure the frame allows for drywall thickness on both sides. Anchor the frame to the floor using drive pins or concrete screws. Place 3 anchors on the hinge jamb and 3 on the strike jamb. Always place one above each hinge and directly across from it on the strike side. Frames taller than 7'6" require additional anchors, as outlined by Steel Door Institute standards. Add a mid-frame spreader to maintain alignment. Check the head of the frame for level and make any adjustments required before tightening anchors. Bring the studs into place and secure them to the floor track with screws on both sides. Fasten the studs tight against the jambs and anchor them to the top track. Install the header above the frame, keeping the opening square. Confirm that the jamb spacing is consistent at both top and bottom. Before final anchoring, check the Curries frame once more for plumb, level, and square. Begin by securing the top stud anchor at the strike jamb, then repeat on the hinge side. In this installation, a wood stud anchor is used. Bend the anchor ears around the stud and secure them tightly with screws. After the first anchors are set, recheck the alignment. Continue fastening the remaining anchors, using at least 2 screws per anchor, and ensure the ears are bent firmly against the studs. Once all anchors are secured, confirm the Curries frame is still plumb and square. Keep spreaders in place during drywall installation to prevent movement. Drywall installers should carefully fit panels around the jambs without forcing them, chamfering drywall edges if necessary to fit over screw heads. As drywall is installed, check the Curries frame again for accuracy. Once studs and drywall are fully secured, the installation is complete and the opening is ready for the next stage of construction.